The Lion and the Wild Rabbit. In a large forest, a lion and a cowardly wild rabbit were friends. One day, the rabbit asked the lion, "I have heard from the other animals that noble lions like yourself are so afraid of the cluck of a chicken that you run away." The lion replied, "Yes, what you have heard is true. You probably don't know this, but a lot of big animals have very small weaknesses. For instance, an enormous elephant is still afraid of the roar of a baby wild pig." When the lion had finished speaking, the rabbit replied, "Ha ha ha! Now I understand why the others are so afraid of the bark of hunting dogs." Cowards often try to find a way to make themselves look brave.